Hi, so I am Khush Jani. I am 23 and I work as a financial analyst. So I became a host in Zoomcar 1.5 years ago, and I got to know about Zoomcar host program through Instagram. So I was scrolling Instagram one day, and I saw that there's this host program in Zoomcar, and I was looking for a passive income at that time. Who wouldn't like a small income at the side? So yeah, so I downloaded the app, and so my journey continued from then till now. So becoming a Zoomcar host was really easy. At first I thought that I'll have to go to the Zoomcar office or a registration office, and I'll have to go through all the paperwork and stand in the line or do the paperwork. It would take 2 to 3 hours. But as soon as I downloaded the app, I got to know that it would be completely paperless. I can do it from the comfort of my couch. And so I downloaded the app, and I registered all of my details, and it was a quick 10-minute process. So it was very easy, and I loved the paperless process. At the start of the journey, obviously I had my own doubts. So I checked the Zoomcar websites and reviews of the Zoomcar. So I got to know that there are around 20,000 hosts who are connected with Zoomcar, and I saw all their reviews which were very positive, and I love the thought that they could earn such an amount with Zoomcar. So I was relieved by this point that even if your car gets damaged, it is obvious that sometimes your car can get damaged in our business. So I got relieved by the point where Zoomcar said that it will be a zero damage. I mean, I have to pay 0 rupees if my car is damaged, and Zoomcar will be taking the costs of repairing the car. So it was really amazing. And the one point is, I was doubtful about who will be taking my car. So I was relieved by seeing that Zoomcar provides KYC to their guest, which through they verify themselves by the Aadhaar card KYC. So I was relieved by hearing that the verified people would be taking my car, and I would be tension free because of it. So currently in Zoomcar I have one car, and I'm able to make 40,000 above my salary in a month. Yeah, so I keep my car really clean. I maintain my car really good, and I try to post really good pictures of my car, so even guests can see that yeah, this car is good and I should take this car. And I try to maintain a good bond with the guests too, so I can get good ratings, and I maintain those ratings like that. So keeping the ratings high is really important. If you see that if you go to buy some product on an e-commerce website, the first thing you choose is which has higher rating. You will easily trust that product. And when speaking about Zoomcar, I like to keep my rating high, because if I keep my rating high, even the guests will trust that this is a good car and I should trust this car, and he'll book the car, and like that I'll get more bookings, and if I get more bookings, I'll get more income through that. So I maintain my high ratings by ensuring that I'll be keeping my car clean. I'll maintain my car, so even the guests won't have any difficulties driving the car and sitting in the car and during that trip. And also that even not speaking about the car, maintenance of the car, but also I ensure that I'll speak to the guests in a polite way, and I keep that bond with the guests that if they even face any problems, I'll definitely be there for them, and be on call for them. If they feel anything, they can call me anytime, and I'll be there for them. And also I ensure that all of the bookings get fulfilled, like each and every guest who books my car gets the car. So it will be a smooth process for them. If they get any car cancellations, it would be an inconvenience for them. So I try to give all the booking cars to all the guests, so even they can have a good experience. The point I love about Zoomcar is you can list your car from any place, anywhere. So as I'm a working individual, even I'm not there to be there near car each and every hour when the booking starts. So I love this feature about Zoomcar that you don't need to be near the car. the guest can come and unlock the car through the app, and also lock the car through the app. So I love this feature. And another feature I love about Zoomcar is that I can pause my listing. So I have only one car currently, so I need my car to go to different places for different reasons. So it is really helpful that I can pause the listing and take the car for myself for a little bit of time.